Burger number 1, Buddy's Burger. Okay, so we're about to eat the first burger. So guys, you can put your hands on the burger. What are your first comments?
It feels like expensive foil. But the burger doesn't smell so expensive.
I know, like, I feel like...
There's sesame seed.
Are you sure?
Okay,
Yes.
what's your guess,
I
Josh?
feel sesame seed.
Are there? I can feel sesame seeds.
Yes.
Okay.
I feel like I'm so hungry now. The smell is making me...
I don't feel any lettuce at all.
No, it's just a cheeseburger. Everyone gets a plain cheeseburger.
No, but some burger joints have lettuce in their
Oh
regular.
yeah, it smells.
It smells cheese.
No, it does.
Oh wait, no. Is there
Flavor?
lettuce on here?
I don't know.
I feel like this is Big Tom's.
Really?
I don't
Well-
know, you like Big Tom.
Should we eat it now?
Wait.
Okay, no.
No, this
is
has
good.
lettuce.
Yeah, this has tomatoes too.
Yeah.
I think it's Big Tom's. Wait, let me
And
buy
it's
it.
really good. Yeah. The patty's flavorful.
Yeah, the cook on the pot. So, mailan mo. It's not really cheap.
Yeah, this is good. I wish they would have toasted the bread though. It's kind of soft.
That's true. But I like that these
And
burgers are
chewy.
still warm.
Because of the expensive foil. Okay. I'm done. I'll eat this flavor.
Yeah.
Because I like it. It's so
Yeah,
good.
it's good.
I like this one.
The
Mm.
sauce is so good.
Yeah.
I know, I was
I
gonna
was
say,
thinking the same thing.
the
What
sauce
is this
good.
sauce?
It's not
What is this dressing?
It's really generous for the sauce. It's not
The
like
dressing, yeah.
I feel like I like it because of the sauce. I can't really taste the taste of the patty.
Yeah.
In fact, the cheese. I can't really taste much of the cheese.
I think the sauce is overpowering everything, but it's so good.
But in
But
a
it's
good
still
way,
good.
a bit.
Yeah, but you know, you want the flavor.
If it's a
of the patty.
cheeseburger, then you're looking for cheese. Right?
Okay, so we just finished with the first burger, and now we're on to the second one. But before that, I need to ask you guys, unsa inyong rating for the first burger? Out of 10 burgers.
I think I don't know. I would give it around 8. So no, 7.5 or something.
I was thinking 7.
Yeah.
7.
7.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably give like...
It was good, but you know, it had.
I'm kind of curious if saka ako ang rating or akong score based on the other burgers that are that
Yeah.
are about to come.
Yeah.
But I'll probably give this one. It was pretty good for me, so I'll give
Yeah.
it like I'll be kind and girly and give it an 8.
8.
So I give it.
No, overall, it's a burger I would eat again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a burger.
Same with me.
Yeah.
So now we'll go on to the second burger. Woohoo! Burger number 2, Angel's Hamburgers. Okay, guys, find it.
Right off the
Find it.
bat, I know the wrapping.
I know. I feel like I know what
You
to do.
twist the ends. Oh my god.
Wait, no.
Yeah. Am I grabbing the right
My
burger?
burger is.
Oh yeah, the ends are twisted.
Yeah, you twist the ends. So
You twist the end.
this is not Jollibee normal.
What?
Oh my god, this is a cheeseburger.
I feel like
Oh man, I've never smelled this smell on
Is
a
this-
burger before.
it feels like the ham from the ham de sal.
Do you open it now?
Dunkin' Donuts.
You guys open it now?
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
He's already taken a bite.
I've heard.
Come on, George, I'm supposed
Look,
to.
he don't like everything. Josh, like, I know what you're
Okay, no, it's
doing.
good.
You should have a signal next time.
Wait, no. Okay, so I'm touching it.
Okay, it really tastes like the ham de sal
It's
from.
a ham.
I think it's the Dunkin' Donut one.
Oh shit. That's
Yeah.
I think it's the
possibly.
Dunkin' Donut one.
Yeah, possibly. But
I've never smelled this before.
I
What
thought
do you
this was
mean,
between
cinnamon or-
cheeseburgers.
So much mayonnaise.
Yeah, I know. Like mine's like vomiting at the bottom.
Yeah.
I'd eat this again.
I would eat this again. I would eat this again. I would eat this again. Initial reactions, like it's like a good guilty pleasure. Like if you're looking for, it tastes cheap, and
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's cheap. So it's something like if you want to make tipid, this would be a good snack.
Oh, this is ham. That's ham.
Definitely ham. It's cheap ham. So
Yeah.
however you
It's
cook
the
it.
kind of sandwich you'd take in the morning when you're in a hurry traveling
Yeah.
somewhere.
So do you guys think this is?
But this isn't something like I would crave. Oh my god, I need this.
Yeah.
I don't know what this burger is because I've never bought a burger like this before.
Me either.
It's basically
I don't even think it's a burger.
I think it's a sandwich. It's more a
It's a
sandwich.
ham sandwich.
I don't like the smell of it.
If it's a
though.
burger, then it's a terrible burger. I'm giving this like a 4.
What about you, Josh?
Okay, this time I'll give it a little higher than him. I'll give it a 5.
I'm
'Cause,
giving it a 3.
I like egg. Oh my god.
Such a Russian judge, this girl.
Why? I gave an
Well,
8 for
yeah,
the
the egg
first
makes
one.
it actually. Yeah, I like the egg. I like the added egg.
Burger number 3. Jollibee! Okay, so now we're on the third burger. What are you guys hoping to get this time?
I want a burger whose patty overpowers everything else.
What about you, Josh?
I like a proper I'm
patty.
looking for more of the cheese. Because
I know,
since that's the standard we're
Get the
looking
grilled
at.
cheese.
So, okay guys, you can find your burger now.
Am I holding it right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
this feels like either
This is
McDo or
so
Jollibee.
small.
I think this is
Either
Jollibee.
McDo or Jollibee.
This is Jollibee.
I think it's Jollibee.
You can smell because of the sauce.
The cheese.
The cheese, find the cheese. Gahit kayo ilang
I
cheese
think it's
usually.
Jollibee.
And I feel like their cheese is kind of cheap because
Yep, this is definitely regular yum with cheese.
Yeah.
I would bet my life on it.
I'm still trying to feel around
I'm eating
the
it na.
sides. Luod na kay ko.
Okay, there's a signal.
Okay. We can eat it now. 1,
Yep.
2, 3, go.
This is Jollibee. For sure.
Yeah.
This is definitely Jollibee.
It smells like Jollibee.
No, you can taste
Nope.
the
Yeah, the sauce,
that
it's so
signature
Jollibee.
that signature mayo and
So
ketchup
Jollibee.
combination.
Kana nga combination.
So Jollibee. Wait, McDo or Jollibee, Josh?
For burgers.
I just say Jollibee all the way.
Really? Jollibee mo
For
ito?
burgers, yeah.
So we forgot to rate the third burger. So go rate that.
On a scale of 1 to Jollibee, I give it a Jollibee.
I don't think we had to rate it though because they already knew what it was.
Yeah.
But my rating for Jollibee is probably like a 5.
Would eat.
Mine would be
I'll just rate
4.
it at that. I would
4.
eat it again.
Because I like the second one more. I gave
I
that
really
one a
did
5.
But the thing about Jollibee, like, it reminds you of childhood also. I think. So like, there's that appeal to it.
Nah, my childhood.
I was more a
okay.
McDonald's kid
You
when I
guys.
was small.
So.
Burger number 4, Big Tom's.
Okay,
Because
so
I
I'm just
wanna know.
waiting for a burger that has a patty that's gonna be
This is foil. It's also there's
overpowering.
And it's
Oh,
big, it's big.
expensive.
big.
It's expensive.
I think it's Flame It. Is it Flame It? Ah, it's gotta be Flame It.
Where is Flame It though? It's not
It's
near
foil.
here. I think it's like front gate.
Oh my god!
I have a feeling it's gonna.
Oh wait,
Oh
there's
my god!
another
no,
wrapping
I know the
inside.
smell. I know the smell.
Oh yeah.
No, this is
No.
this charboiled. This is like grilled.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is,
This is
grilled.
grilled. Is it charboiled?
Wait, there's a foil and then another wrapping, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is some fancy shit right
Yes.
here.
I can't wait to eat
blindfolded
this.
people should
Okay,
be eating this.
initial like
Shit, I love the smell.
observations. Like, I can't wait to eat this.
Yeah.
Like the way it feels, the way I'm opening it. Packaging
Just
is very
that
important.
grilled smell.
I
Oh,
love it. You
yeah.
can even smell the cheese.
Okay, there are sesame seeds on here.
I'm having an orgasm just smelling it.
Oh yeah, the cheese is melted. I'm feeling the cheese right now.
I'm about to eat it.
Okay, yeah, let's
Okay.
take a
I
bite.
think
We'll go.
ni paak na
Let's take a
Josh.
bite.
Well, no, I haven't. Surprisingly, I learned my lesson after the second one.
So good.
I know it's different when you
And the patty is better.
when you took a bite off the fourth one and then you
Okay.
transfer back to the first one. I think the first one really stands out more.
Yeah.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, it
I'm
is
just
confusing.
alternating between the two burgers. But I think the cheese is more prominent here in the fourth one.
Shit, you know what? This could be buddies.
Which
Stop
one?
guessing.
The fourth.
The fourth one.
I haven't eaten there.
I like that the fourth one is really big though.
I like that it's big, and I
Yeah.
like when I first bit into it, like all the flavors came out.
Yeah.
I'm so full right
But
now.
it's a bit like overpowering. So I'm so confused, but I like it though.
I think there's too much tomato flavor in this fourth one. But it's still a good burger.
Yeah, that's the good thing I like about the fourth one. It's tangy because of the tomato. But again, it's taking away from the patty.
The texture of the burger, the texture of the patty is good. Like it stays together, doesn't crumble. So you know there's not a lot of extenders here.
You know what? You're right. I like the first one more. So how would you
I
rate?
haven't.
How would you rate the fourth one?
Around 6 maybe. I'm bumping the first one up to 8, and then this one maybe a 6, 6.5, 7.
Okay.
6.5.
So mine is I gave the first burger an 8. I'll probably give this one like a 7. Because it's really just a competition between the first and the fourth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
8 and a 7 for me too. 8 for the first one.
nice. Okay, so we just finished eating all 4 burgers, and now
So
we shall
far.
talk about it.
I mean, out of everything, I'm so excited to find out what the second one was because it was the most interesting.
Out of all of the burgers,
It was so
it's the
interesting.
second one that you want to try.
No, it's the second one. I want to find out which, like, what it is.
And it wasn't a hamburger.
Because it's so interesting.
Okay, so out of the 4
It's the
burgers,
most different.
Josh, which one was your favorite?
Oh, okay, definitely the first one.
Definitely the first
When
one.
you said that.
I'm pretty sure the first one is Big Tom's. Like, I'm not pretty sure, but like, I'm confident that's probably Big Tom's.
Okay.
What do you think, Josh?
I don't know. I haven't tried Big Tom's, and
Ah.
if we do find out that it is Big Tom after all, I would probably be there sometime soon.
I think we all have like the first 2
Yeah,
down.
first
Mine
one.
is the first one, then the fourth one.
Yeah, first 1 4
1 4.
3 2.
Mine is 1
That's
4
mine.
2 3. Yeah.
Because
I'm
he-
sorry, Jolly.
he
I have to
really
put
likes-
Jollibee.
He
What?
really likes the cheese.
I love the egg. Just the egg. Yeah. And then we find out that it after all wasn't Dunkin' Donuts.
I think it's Dunkin' Donuts. It can't be anything else.
Yeah, this is
Ready, get set, go.
number 1 for me.
Ah!
So
What is it? Is
Listen,
it Dunkin'
listen.
Donuts? It's not. Angel's Burger! Angel's Burger! Angel's Burger!
okay, so
Angel's Burger! I can't believe I ate Angel's Burger!
Oh!
Oh my God.
it's
I
actually
thought
surprisingly
I
really
thought
good.
I didn't like it, so I have faith. Oh my god.
Dude, I would take this over this.
No, regular
I'm sorry.
yum.
Okay, okay.
It might be front gate or fat.
Okay, wait, which one is
I don't have.
Look
I
at
ate it all.
Look at what happened to my burger.
That's the first one.
Yeah, this is the first one.
This is the 4th one for
and
me.
I held it like in the wrong way.
I think it's definitely big.
So this is what's number 1?
It's buddies, right?
Oh,
Huh?
it's surprisingly really good.
The first one.
I have to go there.
Ah!
The fourth one is Big Tom's.
Oh! Oh my God!
Oh wow!
That is a shocker.
I don't like. Well, I'm not gonna say I don't like it because I like it, but the first time I went to Buddies, I did not like it that much, so I never went back. But
It was okay. I've
okay.
tried Buddies before. Maybe I
okay.
just tried the wrong one.
so this is the cheeseburger.
The regular cheeseburger.
Shit. And this is and this is Big Tom's. Oh, favorite burger ko no, not even know.
No. I mean, I don't know. It tastes so different. From
It's so interesting, and it's super shocking to find out that our
Mind blown.
our choice, the burger that wins the Blind Burger Challenge, the first edition is. Ta-da! I'm going to insert some kind of effect in that Buddy's burger. So, yay!
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. If you want to follow me, I am Issaplease on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also check out my blog, Issaplease.com. Please like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more videos about food, fashion, and anything random. I promise these videos can only get better. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
I would eat this again. Angel's Burger!